This is 2017 Chevy Traverse. We are replacing the headlights. The first thing you're going to do is there is a plastic cover on the top. There are a lot of plastic push tabs. You take them out, remove. Then there's a torx screws and 7mm. Remove. Underneath the splash guard, there are 2 torx screws and 1 7mm. Pull this splash guard away from like this, and there are 3 7mm undergoing up like this way. You do not have to remove the 7mm. You just loosen that up. Otherwise, if you take it out, you're gonna have a hard time putting it back in. So you loosen that up and you slide this one out. Otherwise, if you look at it here, they are just going in like this. So once you loosen that up, you can pull this entire bumper skin out. So you do the same thing on the passenger side, and entire bumper skin comes off. Now there are 2 10mm here. There is a 1 on this corner right here, right there by my fingertip. You're gonna take that out. Then there is another one. I believe it's this one. We're gonna remove that. And one more up here, or down here, below the headlight, right down there. We got that one out. This is tight. To get to this bolt here, it's easier to remove this black trim right here. 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, 1 down here, another one down this end, and you should be able to remove this black panel. That. So now it's a lot easier to access this bolt. And there's another one on the middle side of it. So once you have all the bolts out, 2 on the top, 1 here, 1 down here, 1 down here, then the whole thing comes out like that. Actually, 1 here, 1 here, and whole thing comes out. So remove all the plugs. Okay, this is the main harness. This is the new headlights. The high beam is H7. Low beam is H11.